Welcome to the ultimate showdown of heavy-duty machinery, where power meets precision in groundbreaking ways. From colossal excavators and mighty wheel loaders to high-capacity harvesters and innovative paving machines, join us as we explore the titans of the industry and their impact on today's toughest jobs. The Wabco 252FT is a durable motor scraper equipped with a turbocharged diesel engine capable of producing several hundred horsepower. This heavy-duty machine boasts a capacity of 15 to 40 cubic yards and an operating weight between 20 to 50 tons. It features a power shift transmission with 6 to 8 forward gears and advanced hydraulics for precise control. Built for efficiency and comfort, it speeds up operations while ensuring operator comfort with its air-conditioned cab. Meet the John Deere 9RX 640, a behemoth of farming efficiency with a 640 HP engine, perfect for tackling the toughest agricultural tasks. This four-wheel drive track tractor combines a high-capacity hydraulic system and a weighty presence of over 56,000 lbs to ensure stability and power in the field. Equipped with an E18TM power shift transmission and 18 speeds, it adjusts effortlessly to optimize fuel efficiency. For the operator's comfort, it offers 3 cab and visibility packages, making long hours in the field as comfortable as they are productive. The Komatsu 22HD, a hybrid underground hard rock haulage loader built for the rigors of mining. With a bucket capacity of up to 14.7 cubic yards and a robust breakout force of 78,500 lbs, it's designed to handle the toughest loads effortlessly. The 22HD combines a powerful engine option of up to 429 HP with a durable, high-strength steel frame, ensuring reliability under extreme conditions. Whether equipped with the base MTU Detroit diesel engine or upgraded for EPA Tier 4F Euro Stage V compliance, this loader is engineered to maximize efficiency and safety in underground operations. Meet the Rexx haul truck, a colossus in the mining and construction fields, engineered to transport massive loads with its 2,500 HP Cummins engine and robust Allison transmission. This heavy-duty haulier not only packs power but also prioritizes safety with features like a rear-view camera and collision avoidance systems, ensuring it maneuvers safely through the toughest terrains. Its gigantic frame supports a payload capacity of 300 tons, while advanced suspension and dual-axle configuration guarantee stability. Equipped for comfort with an air-conditioned cab and modern conveniences, the Rexx is a dependable giant in challenging environments. The Sleipner DB45, a versatile titan designed for the heavy demands of transportation, construction, and mining. Powered by a Cummins engine with a staggering 2,500 horsepower, this behemoth can haul up to 100,000 pounds effortlessly. Safety is paramount. Equipped with a rear-view camera, collision avoidance, and a robust fire suppression system, ensuring operations proceed without a hitch. The DB45 combines a hefty frame and high-capacity tanks, setting new standards for durability and operational capacity in extreme environments. The RoadPrinter is a revolutionary block paving machine that transforms road construction into an efficient, less labor-intensive process. With options for both battery and generator power, the eco-friendly RoadPrinter Eco leads the way, capable of operating a full week on a single charge. This marvel simplifies tasks with its ability to lay a road up to 6 meters wide in one go, including precise edges, significantly reducing the physical strain on workers. Supported by Dutch subsidies for sustainable practices, the RoadPrinter not only enhances road quality but also offers a greener, cost-effective solution with a significant environmental impact reduction. Meet the Komatsu 951XC, a robust wheeled harvester that's reshaping forestry operations with its powerful performance. Equipped with a 6-cylinder diesel engine that delivers 287 horsepower, this machine tackles the toughest terrain with ease. Weighing over 23 tons and boasting a tractive force of 52,156 lbs, it combines strength and stability for efficient timber harvesting. Designed to enhance productivity and reduce workload, The 951XC is a vital tool for professionals aiming to streamline their forestry projects efficiently. The Fendt 1167 Vario MT is an agricultural powerhouse designed to transform the farming experience. With its MAN 16-point-tool 6-cylinder diesel engine producing a remarkable 663.8 horsepower, this crawler tractor effortlessly handles the most demanding tasks. It features a continuously variable transmission and high-capacity hydraulics, ensuring precision and efficiency across all operations. Equipped with a substantial 350-gallon fuel tank and advanced power takeoff capabilities, the Fendt 1167 Vario MT is built for long, productive days in the field, making it an essential asset for modern agriculture. The VTN Multiutility MT20 is a formidable excavator designed for demolition, equipped with powerful hydraulic shears that slice through concrete and metal like a giant set of Terminator jaws. This machine combines immense strength and precision to effortlessly reduce buildings to rubble, transforming old spaces into new possibilities. Enhanced with a quick coupler system for easy attachment changes and low-emission features, the MT20 not only excels in power, but also in environmental consciousness and operational efficiency. Meet the Westtech Woodcracker C550, a robust forestry attachment that revolutionizes the way professionals cut and harvest wood. With its capability to handle softwood up to 550 millimeters and hardwood up to 500 millimeters in diameter, it's designed to tackle big jobs with ease. Mounted on a variety of carrier vehicles, from excavators to forwarders, it features a unique rotator with a 111-degree tilting angle, enhancing maneuverability and precision. Constructed from high-strength steel and equipped with top-tier hydraulic components, the Woodcracker C550 combines durability with cutting-edge efficiency, making it an indispensable tool in forestry operations. Meet the Caterpillar 990 Series 2, a powerhouse among wheel loaders known for its robust performance in heavy-duty environments. Powered by the mighty Caterpillar 3412E TA 6-cylinder diesel engine, it boasts 625 horsepower, effortlessly handling a 10.9 cubic yard bucket to move massive loads. Its substantial frame supports an operating weight of over 84,000 lbs, and with a top speed of 15.4 miles per hour, it combines strength with speed. Equipped with a high-capacity hydraulic system and versatile tire options, the Caterpillar 990 Series 2 excels in efficiency and adaptability, making it a top choice for demanding construction and mining tasks. The Sandvik Ranger DX900i is a state-of-the-art top-hammer drill rig tailored for precise and efficient surface drilling. This powerhouse rig, with a formidable 268 HP engine and hydrostatic transmission, delivers exceptional performance across a drilling coverage of 290 degrees and depths up to 164 feet. Equipped with an advanced hydraulic system and a robust Z-type mast that adjusts from 0 to 90 degrees, the DX900i ensures optimal adaptability and speed in challenging conditions. Safety is paramount in its design, featuring emergency stops, safety valves, and a fire suppression system, all housed in a RoPS-FOPS-certified air-conditioned cab, making it a trusted partner in mining, construction, and quarrying. Meet the Sunton Rock Boom Ripper, a robust excavator attachment designed for the toughest rock-breaking and excavating challenges. With a choice of either 16,000 kg or 20,000 kg in gross weight, this powerhouse tool can dig depths of 1 to 2 meters, making it highly effective in diverse geological conditions. Compatible with excavators ranging from 30 to 180 tons, the Rock Boom Ripper combines a specially integrated rock ripper arm and boom, ensuring unmatched efficiency and strength. Ideal for heavy-duty applications, it's a vital tool for any construction or mining site requiring precise and forceful rock excavation. The Meripeat OJK-1, a powerhouse in peatland management, was engineered by Finnish company Suomi to master the art of ditching. This screw-type ditcher excels with a depth of 1,000 millimeters and features a unique design that allows for a top width of 1,280 millimeters and a bottom width of 300 millimeters, ensuring efficient and precise cuts. Capable of lifting up to 9,000 kg and powered by a robust 805 HP engine, the OJK-1 moves through peatlands at speeds up to 18 km per hour. Designed for durability and high performance, it's an essential tool for developing new peat production areas or rejuvenating existing ones, offering unmatched functionality and reliability. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of powerful machines and transformative technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into the equipment that shapes our world.